Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an absolutely thrilling project lined up for you. We are diving headfirst into an extreme apartment makeover. Our mission is to take this dull and uninspiring space and turn it into a dreamy Instagram worthy space. But first, let's take a look at what we are working with. As you can see, the apartment is in desperate need of some love. It's outdated, dated, uncluttered, and lacks personality. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you won't believe the transformation we are about to achieve. Every successful full makeover project starts with a solid plan. So before we begin, let's break down our strategy. We will focus on three key aspects: design. We will explore the style and theme we want to bring into life in this apartment. Number two is budget. We will discuss our financial limits and how we can make the most of every dollar spent. Timeline. We will outline our schedule, ensuring that we stay on track and complete the project within a reasonable time frame. With our plan in place, it's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Let's get started with design phase. We have gathered inspiration from various sources: Pinterest, interior design magazines, and even some of our favorite Instagram influencer. Our vision is for this apartment is to define this space into a cozy Scandinavian retreat with a touch of boho chic. Now we are off to hunt for the perfect pieces to bring our vision to life. We will be thrifting, hitting up local furniture stores, and maybe even doing some DIY projects. As we dive into the renovation phase, things are about to get messy but incredibly exciting. We have brought in some experts for tasks like plumbing, electrical work, and structural improvements. Safety is paramount, and we want to ensure everything is up to code. We have come along, but the best part is yet to come: the decorating phase. Now it's time to add those finishing touch that makes a space feel like home. We will be adding artwork, plants, throw pillows, and other decor items to complete the look. The moment we have all been waiting for, the grand reveal. Let's take a look at a side by side comparison of what this apartment looked like before and what it looks like now. It's a truly remarkable. Before we wrap up things, let's reflect some valuable lessons we have learned throughout this extreme apartment makeover journey. Plan number one: planning is the key. A well thought out plan can save your time, money, and headaches down the road. Number two is DIY can be fun and cost effective. Don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and get creative. Number three is professional help is sometimes necessary. Safety and quality should never be compromised. And that's a wrap up on our extreme apartment makeover project. We hope you enjoyed following along with us on this incredible journey. If you have any questions or want more details about specific aspect of makeover, feel free to leave them in the comment. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until the next time, happy decorating, and remember, you can transform any space into a place you love.